Howdy, how's it going? Alright, next build log. So we've now put the graphics card in. There she is, EVGA GeForce GTX 980. Air cooling configuration. We've got our CableMod sleeved cables. And we've done all the routing of power cables at the back. We've installed our SSD. There's all the cables going into the PSU there. Nice and tidy. And that will be it. We'll start this bad boy up and make sure that all of the components are working fine before we move into water cooling the unit. Alright, thanks, see you later.